Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join Binance Launchpool. First, understand that Launchpool allows you to earn new cryptocurrency tokens by staking your existing assets, primarily BNB. This is a fantastic way to get in on new projects early. We'll cover the simple steps to find, stake, and claim your rewards, ensuring you can participate effectively in these exciting opportunities. To begin, navigate to the Launchpad section within your Binance account. Here, you will see a list of current and upcoming Launchpool projects. Select the project you wish to join. You will then be prompted to stake your BNB or other designated tokens into the project's farming pool. This action locks your tokens for a period, allowing you to start earning new project tokens. Once your tokens are staked, you will automatically begin earning the new project tokens. These rewards are calculated and distributed to your spot wallet on an hourly basis, giving you continuous access to your earnings. A great feature is the flexibility to unstake your tokens at any time you choose, without incurring any fees, providing full control over your assets. To maximize your participation, always keep an eye on Binance announcements for new Launchpool projects. Early participation often yields better returns. Remember, you can adjust your staked amount or unstake at any time, giving you full flexibility. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring smart technology into your living space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.